Ma'am and sir, my name is Lenny Valdez Galapon from Philippines. I am 37 years old, married, and I have two kids, 8 years old and 6 years old. I am college graduate. I graduated a Bachelor of Secondary Education. Before, I have experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong in 6 years and 4 months. I took care newborn baby, kids, and also elderly. I have experience also take care of pet. I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, car washing, cooking, and I have idea and experience to cook the Chinese foods like steamed fish, steamed chicken, steamed pork, and others. I also cook the long soup. Mom and sir choose me as your helper, and I promise I do my best. Take care your family as my family. Thank you, Mom and sir. Have a nice day and God bless.